Hey YouTube, welcome back to the drop. Today we'll be discussing iPhone tips and tricks for night mode. More after this. On today's episode, we'll be discussing on how to convert your iPhone to night mode. A lot of speculation in regards to night mode for iOS 13, but here's a quicker, more optimum way to get it done. So from your settings tab, you're gonna go into general. Once you go into general, you'll hit the accessibility tab. And from there, you'll hit display accommodations. Once you hit display accommodations, you'll hit invert colors. And from invert colors, you'll hit smart invert. Now from smart invert, as you can see, if you go to my Instagram page, everything's listed in night mode. It's pretty effective. It's really easy on the eyes. Also, it displays through your text messages. This is a quicker, more effective way to get into night mode. Let me know what you think in the comment section.